Today's video is about the Makiage Foundation. Many of you have seen their ads on social media, but just in case you are one of those very few who haven't, I would like to take this time to explain. You start out by taking a power match quiz to find your perfect shade, and you can try it risk-free for 14 days. I've had this for 2 days and I have not opened it because I was waiting to open it with you guys. The Makiage Woke Up Like This Flawless Base Foundation. That is the foundation that they sent. They also sent me No Filter Poreless Base Smoothing Primer, Makiage. I love this. That is just so pretty. Look at that. I'm so excited. Very excited to use this. And the other thing I got was, if I can open the box. Oh, right. They gave me a free brush, a foundation brush. So this one is 100 Foundation Blending Brush. So that one I got free. This is the concealer. This is Il Makiage, I'm not going to say it, F-M-C-K, Flawless. I'm Flawless, Multi-Use Perfecting Concealer. So let's see what this one looks like. Again, gorgeous packaging, but is the product just as good? We'll see. Over 75% of women get foundation wrong. Get yours right. Number 1, apply 2 pumps of foundation to the back of your hand or directly to your brush or sponge applicator. Number 2, use the brush or sponge applicator to dab the foundation onto your skin. Number 3, blend the foundation over your entire face and below your jawline. Number 4, wait 5 minutes for the foundation to completely set. Don't compare the shade match to your neck or wrist. They can be different tone than your face, which makes sense. Number 5, complete your look with your Fave products, bonus points if they're yours. Oh, sorry, bonus points if they're ours. Number 6, use the foundation for a full week to determine if it's a perfect match for you. So that is the little card that I got in the box with them. So the first thing, of course, we're going to use the primer. And this is just so, so pretty. Alrighty, we're off to a great start. There we go. My goodness. Okay. Oh, wow. This is like, this makes your skin feel like silk. I'm going to use a little bit more of this for my forehead. Wow. Already I'm loving this primer. So actually I'm going to use my concealer next. So this, it's got a nice wand. Doesn't feel like there's a whole lot in there. Let's give it a try. So of course, mascara, I always give a touch there, and then I will always do a little bit. I'm trying to see that in this mirror, and it's not. My concealer brush. Now, if I am not applying stuff right, please comment below. I am still learning myself. I do not pretend to be a professional by all means. I actually think I need to hold this mirror because it's a little too far away there. Okay. I mean, it didn't get rid of it totally. So yeah, not too bad. Now let's do the, oh yeah, okay. See, now this one has a pump bottle, which is nice. And the bottle is really super nice, honestly. The frosted glass. So definitely looking good as far as color goes. Pretty dead on, I gotta say. Try not to put too much under the eyes because of those darn wrinkles. Very thin, which is good. I like that. I don't like too heavy. I don't really need too heavy of a coverage. I mean, of course, I have imperfections in my skin, but I'm not, I'm not breaking out or have any scars from, other than that one, from breaking out. So I think I'm liking it. I probably put too much on my wrist, but that's okay. So it definitely settles in the cracks. That I don't like. You see my forehead? They are much more defined now, these wrinkles. I honestly don't think I'm going to be keeping this foundation. The primer, for sure. I will keep the primer. But the foundation, I don't think I will. I mean, the match is close. It's not exact, like they promise. But look at my wrinkles. That's something I never thought I would say. Look at my wrinkles. Yeah, I don't like it. No, 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 no. I do not like this foundation. I will wear it for the day, but yeah, I'm so afraid to put powder on my face right now because I know it's gonna make it look even worse. So a no to this. I'm thinking a no to the concealer, a definite yes to the primer. So that is it. Full face of makeup. Used the Il Makiage, did not like it, will be returning it. Not sure if I'll be returning the primer, but the concealer and the foundation I will be returning for sure. So that's all I have. If you guys haven't done so yet, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Show me your support. Show me your love. Give me comments below. Let me know what you thought, what you would like me to try. What did I do something wrong? Let me know. If I applied my makeup wrong, or if you have any suggestions for this hair, let me know. I would like to continue to doing videos like this. I'm getting ready anyways when I stream on LP Tips and Tricks, and I just think it'd be kind of nice to bring you guys with me so that you guys can see in behind the scenes of LP Tips and Tricks. So that's all I have. Hope you guys have a fabulous day.